up, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sheetal and in today's video I'm gonna create a very easy everyday kind of makeup look for all the office going and college going girls out there. So this is a very natural no makeup look kind of look, because this is the look I used to do when I used to go to college every single day. It is very easy, you don't need to have a lot of makeup products with you to do this look. So yeah, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe, it would mean a lot to me. And yeah, let's begin. Okay guys, so I already have prepped my skin with moisturizer and sunscreen, and the moisturizer that I used is this. It is the Cetaphil Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion, and the SPF that I used is this one. It is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock. So yeah, these two products I have already put on my skin. Also, don't forget to prep your skin nicely before doing any kind of makeup look, because that is the most important step with before makeup, which is gonna make your makeup look very flawless and also good for your skin as well. So yeah, let's move on to the makeup now. So I'm not going to use any kind of foundation for this look, because we want to keep this look very subtle and simple. So I'm just directly put on some concealer under my eyes and on some acne scars that I have. So yeah, for that I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and in this I'm in the shade 25 medium. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of it under my eyes like this. I'm gonna put it on some acne scars that I have, also around my nose because I have hyperpigmentation over there, and on my chin because my chin tends to look a little red than my face. So yeah, a little bit on my forehead. I'm quickly gonna blend this with a damp beauty blender, and yeah, while blending this, don't forget to take the sponge on your eyelid as well, so you know your eyes look pretty even and your face as well look even. Okay, so now you can clearly see the difference. My face looks very much even now. So I'm quickly gonna do my eyebrows first, and then I'm gonna set the whole face with a powder. So for my eyebrows, I'm using the Etude House eyebrow pencil, and don't worry, all the products will be linked in the description box below. So I'm just gonna brush my brows like this, and using the pencil, I'm just gonna fill all the gaps that I have in my eyebrows. I usually draw a line under my eyebrows and then fill the upper parts. So yeah, you can do whatever you feel comfortable in. You can clearly see the difference, like a filled eyebrows give a very nice structure to your face. So I'm quickly gonna do this eyebrow and we'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, so we are done filling our brows. Now our face looks very nice and structured. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna set our face with a setting powder. You can use any powder you have. You can also use baby powder or any talcum powder. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm in the shade 15 light in this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna set the part where I have put concealer, like under my eyes. Setting the concealer is very important, you guys, so that the concealer doesn't crease and stays on for a very long period of time. Also, we are gonna set our eyebrows so they look more natural. And I'm just gonna dust the brush over all my face. like that. Okay, so we are done setting our base. Now we are gonna put some blush. Don't forget to put a blush because it makes you look very, youthful and fresh. So yeah, the blush that I'm gonna use this time is the Miss Claire blush. And it is in the shade 12. So it is a very pigmented blush, so you have to be very careful with it. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on my brush and just gonna look how pigmented it is, and just gonna place it on my cheeks and just gonna take it on the temples so that face looks a little bit lifted. Okay, it is very pigmented, so you have to be very careful. You can clearly see the difference. This side of face looks more fresh. So yeah, now we are gonna put some blush on this side as well. Also put some blush on your nose, it looks very cute. Okay, so we are done putting a blush and you can clearly see how fresh my face looks because of it. Now what we are gonna do is to take the same brush or blush on an eyeshadow brush, and we are gonna put it on our eyelids very slightly, like in our crease only. Like this, very slightly with a light hand. Also on this. Okay, so putting on some blush on your eye makes it look like you have put some efforts to your face while getting ready. So, and also it looks very put together. Your whole look looks very put together. So yeah, it is very important. So the next step that we are gonna do is to put on some mascara. Mascara is extremely important and I love this step. So for that I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. I love this mascara. It is one of the best drugstore mascaras out there. So I'm just taking out all the excess so your lashes won't look clumpy. Okay, I'm gonna look in my mirror and put some mascara. Okay, you can clearly see the difference in the two eyes. This eye look very much opened up than this one. So yeah. Don't forget to put some mascara on your lower lash as well. Now we are going to put on this eye. And this lash. So you can clearly see my eyes look very nicely opened up now. And next step that we're gonna do is to put on some highlighter. So it is an optional step, you guys. It is not necessary to put on a highlighter on a daily basis, but if you love highlighter like I do, you can clearly go for highlighters like these ones. It is a very natural highlighter and does not it is not a blinding highlighter. It gives you that withering kind of glow. So of course you can go for such highlighters if you love putting highlighters. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some highlighter, some of this Maybelline Strobe highlighter on my finger. I'm just gonna dab it on the high points of my cheek like that. You can clearly see how natural it looks. On my nose, this cheek as well. On my cupid's bow, some on my chin. Okay, so our face looks very nice and glowy now. So last but not the least, we're gonna put some lipstick. So as it is a everyday kind of makeup look, so I'll suggest to stick to nude lipsticks. It looks very beautiful on day-to-day basis. But if you love like pop of color on your lips, then you can go for it. For this look, I'm gonna put on some Maybelline Creamy Mattes. It is in the shade Nude Nuance. So it is a very nice brownie nude lipstick. So it is perfect for everyday use. So I'm gonna put this one. I literally love this shade. Not only me, many people out there love this shade, and it really looks very good on all Indian skin tones. So we are done putting lipstick, and yeah, we are done with the makeup look, and this is how it looks. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. This is my version of a everyday makeup look for college going and office going girls. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, give it a like. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. And hit the notification button so every time I post a video you will get notified. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.